Welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Thanks so much for checking out another reaction video. Today, we're going to react to Gouged and their new single, Unholy Perversion of Nature. I have a little bit of backstory on this one because, surprise, surprise, this is a band that I interviewed on Vigorously this week. So if you missed the full interview, if you missed my time with Gouged, go listen to that and then come back. But you'll notice that if you listened, you will hear them explain the connection between this single and the B-movie. Specifically, the part of the movie where John Goodman's character, I think he's a lawyer if I remember right, specifically that part where he's all upset and this is an unholy perversion of the balance of nature. Like, they just like that line. So they created this in response to that. I'm excited to see what they do with the visuals now in the video. So let's react to the new Gouged single, Unholy Perversion of Nature. It's already heavy. Oh, there's a bee. The lighting is really cool. There's a bee again. Okay, Devin's in nature. Possibly be consumed by. I love those Pacific Northwest ferns. I love that. Now that was cool. Okay, that was cool. The lighting on Devin's face kind of reminding me of Typo Negative's Black Number 1 video. That was really cool. Loving the visuals so far. They did tell me that this was quite possibly the heaviest song they've ever done. So far, that has proven to be true. Let's continue. The bees. I love the bees. Now that I know the story. More woods. Devin's voice is killing it. More ferns, love them. Ooh, watch out by the shore. Ooh, okay, that was tasty. I enjoyed that. Somebody get them on a tour with Lorna Shore because musically they're a fit. A little bit of drumming. I didn't need the drumming. Ominous hawk moment. I'm pretty sure that's a hawk. Oh, get quiet. What's the build up? What are we building up to? Are we getting another breakdown? What is happening? What is happening? Yes, I knew it was gonna hit. Woo! Okay, take in those vocals. Can we take in those vocals? Nice work. Again, somebody, the bees again. Somebody put them on tour with Lorna Shore because musically they're a fit. We want that to happen. Oh, it goes on! I was all right with that beat, but okay. Little longer. They went on a little longer just to give you one more taste. I love it. Gouged, Unholy Perversion of Nature. I am very, very excited to see what is to come if that is what we're working on here, and that's what they're telling me. Like, kind of a clue to what's next. So I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Check it out as it all comes to fruition. Check out my interview that I did with them if you have not checked that out already yet. That'll give you all the links to stay connected with Gouged on socials, all that good stuff, so that you don't miss anything else that is on the way. But that was fabulous. Let me know what you think. Comments, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for joining me for another video. Sorry, microphone.